No matter how experienced you are on the road, one small problem can turn your ride into a nightmare. A sudden flat tire, low visibility at night, someone messing with your bike, or even getting lost in the middle of nowhere. It happens. But riding has changed. There are some insanely smart motorcycle gadgets on Amazon that can prevent all of this before it even starts. And in today's video, we're breaking down the best motorcycle gadgets you'll actually want on every ride. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Number 15. Kemomoto Motorcycle Tail Bag. Looking for a compact yet powerful storage solution for your rides? This Kemomoto Motorcycle Tail Bag might be exactly what you need. Designed for versatility, it easily mounts on your rear seat and instantly expands from 7 to 14 liters, giving you just the right amount of space for daily essentials or short trips. What makes this bag stand out is its dual-use design. Not only can you secure it to your bike with the 6 sturdy straps, but you can also carry it as a backpack using the included shoulder strap. That means once you park, your gear goes with you, no hassle. Worried about weather? Don't be. It comes with a waterproof rain cover that protects your belongings from unexpected rain, dust, and road grime. The durable material and reinforced structure keep everything safe and organized, even on rough rides. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just heading out for a quick ride, this tail bag adds convenience, without bulk. It's lightweight, practical, and built for real riders who need flexibility on the go. Number 14. Vever Motorcycle Stand Lift. If you're tired of struggling with basic tools while maintaining your bike, it's time to upgrade to the Vever Motorcycle Stand Lift. Built for serious riders and home mechanics, this heavy-duty stand supports up to 850 pounds, making it perfect for most Yamaha, Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki motorcycles. What really makes this stand out is its front and rear combo design. You can lift both wheels off the ground, giving you full access for chain maintenance, oil changes, tire work, and deep cleaning. No more awkward angles or unstable setups, just solid, reliable support. It also comes with adjustable U-shaped and L-shaped fork adapters, so you get a secure fit no matter what type of bike you ride. The strong steel construction combined with a smart triangular base design ensures maximum stability, even under heavy loads. And the best part? The smooth rolling wheels and extended handles let you lift your bike quickly and with minimal effort. It's simple, efficient, and built to make your life easier. Number 13. 16-in-1 Multifunction Bike Toolkit. Ever been stuck mid-ride with a loose bolt or sudden breakdown? That's where the Rockbros 16-in-1 Multifunction Bike Toolkit becomes your lifesaver. This compact, foldable multi-tool packs everything you need into one pocket-sized design, making it perfect for cyclists, bikers, and everyday riders. Inside, you get a full range of essential tools, Allen wrenches, screwdrivers, socket tools, and even tire levers, so you're always ready for quick fixes on the go. Whether it's adjusting your brakes, tightening parts, or handling emergency repairs, this tool has you covered without carrying a bulky toolkit. What makes it even better is its durable build. Made from high-strength materials, it's designed to handle real-world use without bending or breaking. Plus, the foldable design keeps everything organized and easy to carry in your pocket, backpack, or saddlebag. Lightweight, reliable, and incredibly practical, it's the kind of tool you don't think about until you really need it. Number 12. Kemomoto Motorcycle Turn Signal Lights. Want to upgrade your bike's look while boosting safety at the same time? These Kemomoto Motorcycle Turn Signal Lights are exactly what you need. Designed with 36 high-brightness LED bulbs in each set, they deliver powerful, eye-catching signals that make sure you're clearly visible on the road, day or night. These indicators run on a universal 12V system, making them compatible with most motorcycles, scooters, and cruisers. Whether you ride daily or just on weekends, installation is simple and hassle-free, so you can get back on the road in no time. But it's not just about function, it's about style too. The sleek, modern design instantly gives your bike a more aggressive and premium look, setting it apart from the crowd. Plus, LEDs last longer and consume less power compared to traditional bulbs, so you're getting both efficiency and durability in one upgrade. Rain or shine, these turn signals are built to perform, offering consistent lighting even in tough conditions. Number 11. 5.75-inch LED motorcycle headlight. Still riding with a dull, outdated headlight? It's time for a serious upgrade. This 5.75-inch LED motorcycle headlight transforms both your visibility and your bike's overall style in seconds. Built with a powerful white DRL and integrated amber turn signals, it ensures you're seen clearly from every angle, day or night. What makes this headlight stand out is its all-in-one design. You're not just getting a brighter beam, but also built-in turn signals that add an extra layer of safety without cluttering your bike. It's perfect for riders who want a clean, modern look while staying highly visible on the road. Compatibility is another big win. It's designed to fit popular models like Honda Shadow 750, Rebel 500, Kawasaki Vulcan, and a wide range of cafe racers, choppers, and cruisers. The included housing bucket and mounting brackets make installation straightforward, even if you're not a pro mechanic. Durability isn't a concern either. The solid construction is built to handle vibration, rough roads, and changing weather conditions, giving you long-lasting performance. Number 10. JOYR Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder. Still risking your phone every time you ride? It only takes one bump or sudden stop to send it flying. That's where the JOYR Motorcycle Phone Mount Holder comes in. Built with a powerful dual vibration dampening system, this mount keeps your phone stable even at high speeds. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting rough roads, it absorbs shocks and protects your device from constant vibration, perfect for navigation and recording your rides without any blur. The upgraded metal handlebar clamp is designed for a rock-solid grip. Once installed, it stays locked in place, giving you full confidence that your phone won't slip or move, even during aggressive riding. It also offers wide compatibility, fitting smartphones from 4.7 to 7 inches. The adjustable design makes installation quick and easy, so you can mount or remove your phone in seconds without hassle. Durable, secure, and incredibly practical, this mount is a must-have for any rider who relies on their phone on the road. Number 9. YZW 2026 Motorcycle GPS CarPlay Display. Still relying on your phone for navigation while riding? It's time for a smarter and safer upgrade. The YZW 2026 Motorcycle GPS CarPlay Display brings next-level technology straight to your handlebars. This 5-inch touchscreen supports both wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you instant access to maps, calls, music, and messages without touching your phone. Just connect once, and you're ready to ride with everything right in front of you. What makes it even better is the built-in voice control. Whether you use Siri or Google Assistant, you can control navigation, answer calls, or play music completely hands-free, keeping your focus where it belongs on the road. Designed for real riders, this device is IP69K waterproof, meaning it can handle heavy rain, dust, and tough conditions without any issues. The bright, responsive display stays visible even in sunlight, making it perfect for long rides and daily commutes. Installation is simple with the included bracket, and you can even customize the boot logo for a personal touch. Number 8. Lachine G2P Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset. Riding with friends but can't communicate on the road? That's where the Lachine G2P Motorcycle Helmet Bluetooth Headset changes everything. This powerful communication system lets you stay connected with your group through intercom, making every ride safer and more fun. Whether you're coordinating turns, sharing updates, or just chatting, it keeps everyone in sync without stopping. It also comes packed with features that go beyond communication. You get built-in FM radio for entertainment, plus the ability to take calls, listen to music, and follow GPS directions, all wirelessly through your phone. And with advanced noise cancellation, your voice stays clear even at high speeds. Designed for versatility, it fits most helmets and works perfectly for motorcycles, ATVs, and even snowmobiles. The universal pairing feature means you can connect with other brands too, making it easy to ride with any group. With a durable build and long battery life, it's made for long rides and real-world conditions. Number 7. Third Eye Motorcycle Blind Spot System. Every rider knows one of the biggest dangers on the road isn't what's in front of you, it's what you can't see. The Enough Third Eye Motorcycle Blind Spot System is designed to eliminate that risk and give you an extra layer of awareness every time you ride. This smart safety system actively monitors your side and rear blind spots, instantly alerting you when a vehicle enters your danger zone. With both visual indicators and voice alerts, you don't have to guess or constantly check over your shoulder. It keeps you informed in real time. What makes it stand out is its advanced detection capability. Whether you're riding in traffic, changing lanes, or cruising on the highway, it tracks potential hazards and helps you react faster, reducing the chances of accidents. Built for real-world riding, the system is fully waterproof and durable, so it performs reliably in rain, dust, and tough conditions. The mirror-mounted design integrates seamlessly with your bike, maintaining a clean look without bulky add-ons. Compatible with motorcycles, bicycles, and e-bikes, it's a versatile upgrade focused on one thing: your safety. Number 6. ILM Airflow Leather Motorcycle Gloves. If you're riding without proper gloves, you're taking a bigger risk than you think. The ILM Airflow leather motorcycle gloves are built to give you the perfect balance of protection, comfort, and control every time you hit the road. These gloves are made from high-quality leather with a built-in airflow system, keeping your hands cool even on long, hot rides. The perforated design allows ventilation without sacrificing durability, so you get both comfort and strength in one package. But it's not just about comfort. These gloves are designed for serious protection. With 360-degree protective shells covering key areas like knuckles, fingers, and palms, plus double-layer leather and foam reinforcement, they help absorb impact and reduce injury during falls or slides. The pre-shaped design and soft leather construction give you excellent grip and control on the handlebars, making your ride smoother and more responsive. Whether you're commuting, touring, or riding aggressively, these gloves adapt to your style. Riders often agree that leather gloves offer better abrasion resistance and durability compared to cheaper materials, making them a smart long-term investment for safety. Number 5. Motorcycle Helmet LED Brake Light Steps. Riding at night without proper visibility is one of the biggest risks on the road. That's where this motorcycle helmet LED brake light steps in to change the game. This compact but powerful safety light mounts directly on the back of your helmet, making you instantly more visible to vehicles behind you. Unlike traditional bike lights, positioning it higher on your helmet puts it right in the driver's line of sight, giving them more time to react and avoid accidents. It features bright LED lighting with multiple modes like steady, flashing, and warning, so you can adjust based on your riding conditions. Whether you're cruising through the city or riding on dark highways, this light keeps you seen at all times. Many similar helmet lights offer rechargeable batteries and several hours of runtime, making them reliable for long rides without constant charging. The waterproof design, rated around IPX6, means it can handle rain, splashes, and tough weather without failing, so you don't have to worry about riding in bad conditions. Installation is quick and simple, usually with straps or adhesive mounts, so it fits most helmets without tools. Plus, the lightweight build ensures it won't affect your comfort while riding. Number 4. Bluetooth Motorcycle Tire Pressure Monitoring System. One of the most dangerous things on a motorcycle isn't speed. It's riding with the wrong tire pressure without even knowing it. That's where this Bluetooth Motorcycle Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, becomes a total game changer. This smart system gives you real-time tire pressure and temperature updates directly on your phone. Instead of guessing or manually checking, you instantly know if something's wrong while you're riding. And that's important, because proper tire pressure directly affects grip, braking, and overall safety on the road. It comes with dual external valve sensors that are super easy to install. Just screw them onto your tire valves and connect via Bluetooth. No complicated setup, no extra wires. Once connected, the system continuously monitors both tires and sends alerts if pressure gets too high, too low, or if there's a sudden leak. The waterproof design means it's built for real riding conditions. Rain, dust, and rough roads won't affect performance. Plus, these systems are designed to improve tire life, fuel efficiency, and prevent accidents caused by underinflated tires. Simple, smart, and incredibly useful, this is one upgrade that can actually save your life. Number 3. Yoholio Alarm Disc Lock. Leaving your motorcycle parked without proper protection is basically an open invitation for trouble. That's why the Huawei Chololyo alarm disc lock is a must-have for every rider who values their bike. This compact but powerful lock doesn't just secure your wheel, it actively protects it. With a built-in motion sensor, the moment someone touches or tries to move your bike, it triggers a loud 110 dB alarm that instantly grabs attention and scares off potential thieves. Built from strong metal with a 7mm locking pin, it's designed to be tough, durable, and resistant to tampering. Just push down to lock it, and it's instantly armed, simple, fast, and effective. It also comes with a 5-foot reminder cable, which is a small but important feature. It helps you remember to remove the lock before riding and also signals to others that your bike is protected. Rain or shine, this lock is ready. Its waterproof and rust-resistant design means it performs reliably even in harsh weather conditions. Plus, with included spare batteries and a carry pouch, it's built for convenience as much as security. Number 2. Motorcycle front and rear dash cam. Ever wish you had proof of everything that happens on the road? Because when it comes to accidents, what you remember doesn't matter. What you record does. That's where this motorcycle front and rear dash cam becomes a must-have upgrade. This system records in dual 1080p, capturing both the front and rear of your ride at the same time. That means no blind spots. Every moment is documented clearly, whether it's traffic incidents, close calls, or unexpected events on the road. Dual-channel dash cams are especially valuable because they provide full coverage and stronger evidence compared to single cameras. It's built for real riders, with an IP67 waterproof design that keeps it running in rain, dust, and tough conditions. Day or night, the night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light environments, so nothing gets missed. You also get smart features like loop recording and 24-hour parking monitor. That means it keeps recording continuously and automatically saves important clips if something happens, even when your bike is parked. With app control, you can instantly view, download, or share your footage straight from your phone. No need to remove the memory card. Plus, it supports up to 128 GB storage, giving you plenty of space for long rides. Number 1. Eatonwolf Mini Electric Bike Pump. Flat tire in the middle of nowhere? That's every rider's nightmare, but the Eatonwolf Mini Electric Bike Pump makes sure you're never stuck again. This tiny powerhouse delivers up to 150 psi, meaning it's strong enough for motorcycles, cars, and bikes alike. And the best part? It can inflate a tire in as little as 20 seconds, so you're back on the road fast without the struggle of manual pumping. What really sets it apart is its smart auto-stop feature. Just set your desired pressure, and it automatically stops when it's reached. No guesswork, no overinflating. Plus, the built-in digital gauge shows real-time pressure with high accuracy, giving you total control. Despite its power, it's incredibly compact. This pocket-sized pump weighs around half a pound, making it easy to carry in your backpack or even your pocket. It also supports both Presta and Schrader valves, so it works with almost anything you ride. And thanks to its rechargeable battery, you can inflate multiple tires on a single charge, perfect for long trips or emergencies.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.